Filming this video is making me ready to go to bed. Not yet, Jess. Not yet. Hi guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. Now before we get into my night routine for back to school, just want to say, guess what's coming out this Sunday? Episode 1 of Life of Jess, my new show. I'm so excited. If you're excited to thumbs up this video and make sure you guys are subscribed and you turn on your notifications so you know when F1 gets released. But also go follow us at Life of Jess TV on Instagram for more behind the scenes, updates, details, and yeah, you get to meet the cast and see some more really cute pics and videos. Alright, calm down Jess, now it's time to get into the zone of my night routine for back to school. So these are some things you might want to incorporate into your night routine and it just helps you de-stress, feel more calm, more organised, just get ready for a big day ahead. Okay, tip number 1, it's a bit practical and obvious, but I'm going to say it anyway because it's really important. Pack your bag the night before just so that you're not in a hurry the morning of. So books, stationery, laptop, you name it, whatever needs to go in your bag, just do it the night before just so you can wake up and not be in a hurry. And leading on from that tip is also to pack your lunch the night before. And just a little thing here, I'm trying to be more eco-friendly lately. So I've banned the plastic bags, the snap-lock bags or Ziploc bags, and I'm using lots of little Tupperware containers and reusable drink bottles. So try and do that for this year, guys. Let's be nice to the ocean and yeah, stop using so much plastic. Okay, now really getting into the night routine is to start unwinding for the evening and do something that is going to relax you and pamper yourself so that you feel good physically and mentally. That could be watching a show, having a bath, doing a face mask, anything that you just really enjoy, even reading a book, something that's going to help to settle your mind and get you into this night routine. Also aim for an early night. The earlier you go to bed, the easier it is to wake up in the morning. And especially with school, you're gonna have to get up pretty early. So try and give yourself plenty of time to unwind in the evening and get a really good night's sleep. Now you should probably do this before you start unwinding, but I just forgot to mention it. It's to organize your desk. So organize your desk in your room just so that you feel more in control and on top of things, and an organized space, it makes for a clearer and organized kind of mind. So it just helps you to have that fresh start. You've got a fresh, clean environment, and then you're going into a fresh new year at school or uni. Now I know that for some, you might have a lot on your mind, especially the night before going back to school. So try out some mindfulness meditation apps. I personally love using the Smiling Mind app. I do the 6-minute mindfulness breathing meditation most mornings, and a lot of people really recommend Headspace as well. So try those out. It just helps to filter through all of those racing thoughts and just bring you back to the present moment. So it's really calming and grounding. And then leading on from that point, I just want to say, don't try and fight the nerves. I think it's really normal if you feel a bit of back to school jitters in your stomach, those butterflies coming on. And yeah, it's really common. And I just want to say, actually, when I was going interstate to film for Life of Jess, is a little story for you guys. I don't even think I've told them this. But when I flew up to Brisbane to film Life of Jess, I was really nervous the night before. I barely slept. And at first I tried and fought those nerves off. I tried to fight those nerves off. I tried to just not think about it and just lie in bed and try and fall asleep, and it just didn't work. So I just gave into it. I thought, you know what, this is really normal. Of course, anyone that's starting on a new job, meeting 50 new people in a new state, doing something really exciting, you might feel a bit nervous and you won't necessarily have the perfect night's sleep, but you'll manage. So I just got up and I watched a show and I put on some music. I had a little bit of lavender essential oil on my pillow. There are things that you can do just to help keep your mind at ease. And if you don't have the perfect night's sleep before going back to school, don't worry, your body will sleep when it needs to sleep. Most likely you'll just have a really good restful sleep the following night, and it just takes a little bit of time to settle in. And I think that was really the main thing I wanted to get out of this video, is just to say to you guys, you know, the night routine, how you spend your night before a really important big day, it's just about helping you to feel more comfortable, more at ease, and to just go easy on yourself. Have some self-compassion and make sure that you're pampering yourself, you're eating well, you're sleeping well, and you're just doing your best. And essentially you should be doing that every night regardless, just looking after yourself. Just because you're starting a new day at school doesn't mean that that's the only time you should take care of yourself. You should do this all year round, especially to prevent burnout and getting run down. So they're just some things that you might want to integrate and think about for your night routine, especially with back to school around the corner for a lot of you guys. And don't forget, Life of Jess is coming out August the 5th. I'm so excited. So please subscribe, turn on your notifications, follow at Life of Jess TV, and I will see you on the 5th of August looking quite different to how I do now. You'll see what I mean when F1 comes out, guys, don't worry. Alright, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in a couple of days. Mwah. Bye!